You make me call her back again. Hello? Hello? You reached the voicemail. What about this? This not right. Hey, imagine mommy send $300 Kongi Keisha for buy goat, upper sterling, pork, and chicken. And that Keisha said mommy fi send. And mommy send the money Kongi Keisha. And nothing we can't hear from Keisha. We can't hear from Keisha. This not right. This not right at all. Hello? Keisha, I a big god cousin Bev. You never know say we come down. Keisha, Auntie Punsi say if you come round a yard. Keisha, you remember say today Christmas and the family reunion today, Keisha? Keisha, oh you not reach round a yard yet. And Keisha, where the goat where Mama tell us say you fi get from Sterling? The big goat. Keisha, we don't see nothing around a yard. Nothing around the prepare, Keisha. Keisha, you promise mommy faithful how you go buy goat, chicken and pork for the family reunion Christmas, Keisha. And nothing will not come around a yard. Keisha, you think a joking business this? You try to reach round a yard fast. Bev, from morning me then on my bed. I feel from morning me then on my bed me not come out. After me go down to Western Union go collect the money. It look like thief must have follow me as me come out of the Western Union. A two boy that hold me up and take away the bag from me. Me have the bag under me arm. Me phone gone. In the bag. All of the money gone when me collect. So me have to hide. Because me don't get to buy the goat when me tell auntie about. Everything gone. I mean, know say auntie no believe. All auntie pick them come down for me because of them. I mean, know they don't believe. See there? After morning, me lie down in a bed. Me Keisha. All of the money gone. My phone gone. Everything. Right now, I want new number. Me have to go try get. Because I don't like me number that's storing in my brain. And the phone place I tell me say, me have to bring some farmer information come. Forget back in number. Me can't get back that number there because that's money me make by the chip. I mean, don't know where this money there with the pop number. So, me have to call it a day. Me have to go get a new number. Me don't know how me bad looking so. Every year is problem. Every year. Me don't know how me full of bad luck so. Me have to go get a wash off. Whether me a go see, or me a go get a bath, or me have to go get a gathering, because me too salt. No, I can't real. Or me have to go church and baptize. Cause something have to happen, me can't salt, so. When it come to money, me salt, me salt, me salt. When me have money, me say me I gonna do this, me I gonna do that. And when me get the money, I different. Me have a problem.
Hello? Keisha.
Who this a call me number?
Keisha, you not catch my voice.
Who this me no know who this?
Keisha, you don't know this advice here? So you want to tell me, say, me, win some, go foreign and come back and you don't know my advice? Eh? And it's not like me go foreign, go catch twang or anything. And me see him dirty win some. Eh?
Win some
Keisha, me not
because everybody
change.
cousin win
Me not change, so
some.
oh, you don't know my advice. Oh, I must see the cold what me have. The little flu what me catch. So Keisha, let me clear my throat. From last night, Keisha, Bev and Mummy I call you all night till this morning, Keisha, and a pure voicemail them I get. Your phone dropping in water. No, so all of a sudden your phone dropping in water, Keisha. Keisha, for the whole month you've been calling Mummy. And know that we land at Jamaica, not even airport, you know, come Keisha. Oh, all of a sudden your phone dropping in water that you don't know when we are come or anything. Keisha, this don't look good. And Keisha, after we come and go around a yard, Keisha, we not see nothing at all when you buy. Nothing at all when you buy, Keisha, we not see round there. Where the things them? Where the goat where you forget from Upper Mass Sterling? Eh? And the pig where you have to kill and look both. And the chicken for the dinner. Keisha, put yourself round a yard right now. Put yourself round a yard right now. Before we have to come round your yard, come take you out. Alright. 5 minutes may I give you for reach round a yard, Keisha.
But me can't believe say auntie them really come from foreign. Eh? All of me good up cousin them come down and auntie come down. Mass George, auntie husband come down. Eh? And me I tell you say, me never have nothing prepared because the $300 where auntie send come give me. Eh? Me take it buy one clothes. Half a timo. Eh? Yes. And because me dey have one big party fi go grand market night. Me I tell you say, all know me no feel good. See, me I in a me bed me dey and I go and drink liquor rum cream yeah because me no feel good. And she come and I call. Me tell her say the phone drop in a water. As a matter of fact, me dey put the phone on airplane mode from morning because me no want nobody disturb me because me no feel good. After that a party there nice last night. I tell you, the party. I tell you say I know me foot still a move out the party hot. And me I tell you say, and me all buck up and one little man in the party. A pay Hennessy. Him a buy. Me don't know where it come from. But me I tell you say show out and he roll out. Be money. Yes, I must see about 3 bottle of Hennessy the boy buy. Yes. And me I tell you say me drink so till When me done a pure puke, me a puke.